Fifi Rodriguez, Muskoka, Ontario, Bracebridge, Kirby's Beach, Piss and Rain, May 3rd, my daughter's birthday. It's her birthday, we're at the park. Is it? Didn't take long. Let her in there. Hop in, Evie. Hey, baby. Happy birthday, Evelyn. What's Nevin doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Hey? Hey, Evelyn, can you say Muskoka? Say Muskoka. Fifi Rodriguez. Evelyn, can you say Muskoka?
Huh?
Muskoka.
Huh?
Fifi Rodriguez. Can you say Rodriguez? Okay, be careful, Evelyn, it's slippery. Stay off the slides. Yeah, I believe that. How do you like it over there? It's all wet.
I love it.
It's piss and rain out.
I love it. What's your
What you doing, baby?
turn?
Your turn. Everything's so wet.
It's like wings.
Yeah, swings. Everything's wet though, baby. How's that, Nevin? We're gonna hop in the car in a minute, guys. I'm getting soaked. Love you, boy.
Wait a minute. Before I go, I actually want to go down that slide.
I'd rather you didn't, because I don't want you to slip and fall and hurting yourself. Hey, look at that.